Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress in CPanel. First, ensure you have a hosting account with CPanel access. CPanel offers a robust control panel, making website management straightforward for millions of users worldwide. WordPress, powering over 40% of all websites, is an excellent choice for blogs, e-commerce, and portfolios. We will walk through the essential steps, from initial setup to basic site management, ensuring you can confidently launch your online presence. Installing WordPress is surprisingly simple, often taking less than 5 minutes. Once logged into CPanel, navigate to the Softaculous Apps installer found under the Software section. This one-click installer automates the entire process. You will then select WordPress, click Install Now, and provide your desired domain, a site name, and your administrator username and password. Remember to use strong, unique credentials for security. After installation, immediately log into your new WordPress dashboard. This is your command center for managing content and design. Start by customizing your site's title and tagline under Settings, then General. Explore the vast library of themes, with over 11,000 free options available directly from your dashboard to give your site a professional look. Don't forget to install crucial plugins for enhanced security, search engine optimization, and improved site speed. CPanel remains valuable even after WordPress is running. You can use the File Manager to access your site's files directly, which is useful for advanced troubleshooting or manual updates. PHP-MyAdmin allows you to manage your WordPress database, though caution is advised. Crucially, CPanel helps you create professional email addresses like info@yourdomain.com. Always perform regular backups, ideally weekly, using CPanel's Backup Wizard or a dedicated plugin to protect your valuable content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.